Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing very well. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be a hair install video. I went to a hairstylist. That was actually my first time going to her. This hair was kindly sent to me by Unice hair and I really do like it. Got a 13x4 highlighted wig. This is actually my first time doing a highlighted wig. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually quite nervous to do it. As you can see, it's like 1B and then we've got the 613 blonde in there as well. I got my cap in a small. Always send your measurements to the vendors first to make sure you get the right cap size. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the process of me getting my hair done a few days ago. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Also going to show you guys like an unboxing because the box that this hair came in was so cute. So guys, the hairstylist used the bold cap method for this install. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process of how we achieve the final look. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this was definitely like a trust in the process kind of vibe, because at one point I was thinking, how is this hair gonna turn out, like what's actually going on here? But once we like straightened the hair, combed it out, plucked it, I was feeling a lot more confident. And as you guys can see in the video, I started even getting excited after a while. But yeah, it was definitely giving trust in the process, but the hair is really soft and it's nice. Guys, look at how nice this hair looks straightened. In the end, I did go for curls, but the straightened look was so nice as well. This is us melting the lace down. It was really nice, it was coming together. Then we were looking at how to layer the hair. I wanted like little layers, just because I wanted to be able to wear the hair straight and also curled. And I've never actually done layers before, so I did play it safe. But next time, I'll definitely go for like more dramatic layers. So this hair was a 13x4, and I know a lot of hairstylists say 13x6 looks better, but to me this parting still looks really long, so it was absolutely fine. And then in terms of density, I got 150 density. Initially I wasn't too sure because I don't like hair that's like thin or gappy, but 150 definitely did the trick. You wouldn't need to do 200 or 250. This hair looked really full whilst it was straight and curled, which is great. So this wig does come with an adjustable strap and a clip at the back of the wig, which is really handy when putting on the wig, and it just helps to make sure the wig fits your head really well. Guys, by this time I was getting excited. I could see the vision. The hair was coming out so nicely. I didn't expect it to look this nice, but I was so impressed. The curls, how soft the hair was, even the highlighted look in general. I feel like there's not too much blonde. It's just the right amount of blonde. It looked so good. So this is the box that the hair came in. It is so cute. It's like a nice red box. It's got their logo just in the front. You've got this really cute like pink bag. Guys, pink is my favorite color, as you can see. So I was really excited about this. They've given us their headband, which is going to be great for your installs. And just making sure like you keep your hair nicely. Like one thing about me, my hair is going to be kept well, okay? This is the wig band. It's reversible. So we've got red on this side and black on this side. We've got like a Velcro strap to help us put it on behind our head. It's great. I feel like this one's a lot better than like the self-tying ones. That's definitely going to come in handy. So then for the babes that do their hair themselves, they've given us this 2-piece wig cap, color tan, and it is one size fits all, so that is great as well. You can see they've also given us some really dramatic lashes. These look a bit too big for me, even though I do like full lashes. They do look a bit too big, but very cute branding, a lovely box. It's got their logo on the side, and if you love a dramatic lash, this will be perfect. Okay, lastly in here, I thought it was a mascara, but I'm gonna guess that it's like a perfume, I don't know, like a perfume holder. Okay guys, it's none of the above. I'm not too, oh my god, it's a brush. Okay, you know when you've got a white bag and you need a brush, it's not going to stay in your bag. This is really cute. I haven't seen anything like this before. This is definitely going to come in handy, so that's going to be really good. And then they've given us sticky notes as well, which is really cute. It's like a light shade of pink. And then lastly, I believe they told me it's going to be a robe, and the fact that it's a pink robe, guys, so cute, like literally. Oh no, this is lovely. Okay, this is the pink robe they've given us, and then it does say Unice at the back. Guys, this is really cute. Definitely giving us such a cute goodie bag. The branding was done so well. Thank you guys so much for coming to the end of this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. If you have, please be sure to like this video. Comment down below if you're loving this wig, if you're loving the colors, if you're loving the middle part, if you're loving the curls. Let me know down below. Then also let me know if there's any other hair brands you want to see me work with, or any other units from this brand you want to see me try. Yeah guys, I hope to see you guys in my next video.